I'm headed to a near Loop, West Loop location that's a short walk from the UIC campus, from the neighborhood's fabulous dining and nightlife scene, and across the street from a public park for a walk through one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new, pet-friendly, full-amenity Milieu. Milieu is pet-friendly and has 24/7 door staff. The building's extensive amenities start at the lobby level, where there's a lounging area and an innovative gear garage with sports equipment. The top floor amenities include a skyline view wellness studio adjacent to a fitness center that has a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment. There's a comfortably furnished media room adjacent to a rambling social lounge with a fireplace, a gaming area, a bar, and multiple furniture groupings for large and small gatherings. The lounge opens to a pool deck with grilling areas and great skyline views. The fourth floor has a library lounge, private office conference rooms, print with me service, and an outdoor dog run. I'm in apartment 402 with ceilings that are soaring up above 11 feet. Wide plank flooring, exposed concrete, exposed ductwork give this very much a loft feel. Looking at an attractively set up kitchen, dining, living area. There's a breakfast bar peninsula. Kitchen has 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. And it's a Sweet Home Chicago apartment, so it's set up with everything you're going to want to have to feel right at home and stay comfortably for a while. Full suite of countertop appliances, cookware, dinnerware, knives, cutlery, etc. Kitchen has a French door refrigerator. It's a 5-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, dishwasher, a wide farm-style sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Terrific setup. Also have a goodie bag to welcome you home. Very attractive kitchen. Looking out over the West Loop, where you're literally steps from great dining and nightlife. And a short walk from Loop offices. So you head toward the bedroom and bath. There's a front-loading stacked washer-dryer behind a louvered door. The bath has a wide vanity, a bank of drawers for storage, some welcoming toiletries to get you set up and started, and there's a walk-in shower with a spray attachment. Bedroom has a second flat panel TV, closet with built-ins, and extra linens and bedding. Great suite of amenities at the Milieu. Very appealing location directly opposite Mary Bartolome Park. Sweet Home Chicago makes it a sweet deal.